and this is Caitlin. If you haven't heard, all week we're filming Sensei Matt and someone with no martial arts experience. The reason this is just such a great video is it gives you guys a little perspective of, listen, you can just learn this stuff just to take care of yourself, just to save your life one day. So the first thing we did was, again, our base. So you step back, hands up. This is the most important thing. You need this base, something between you and the attacker. Then we went over palm strikes to the face and the chin. Then we went over a knee, which is another great strike. Now, if something of this doesn't resonate with you, then I recommend toss it out the window. If you don't feel comfortable throwing a knee, don't throw a knee. You don't feel comfortable throwing a palm, don't throw a palm. You know, this is just tips of, these are the simplest drills that you can learn and practice on your own to kind of get good. All right, the third one's a really fun one. We're gonna do a front kick, really simple. So everyone, you know, you get like this in your fighting stance, and someone's coming at you, and you're maybe too afraid to really hit them, or you're really you don't want them to get that close to you. One simple thing you could do is a front kick. The reason a front kick is such a great technique is the person is here, right? When I see Caitlin and I'm attacking her, I'm thinking, I'm gonna get her. I'm going after her. I'm reaching for her. All my focus is up top, that you almost forget that that's a very real thing that can happen. Someone kicked you. So me and Caitlin went over before she stepped back to her base. She was like this. And yeah, you're gonna kick them as hard as you can. If you want, it could be between the legs, it could be in the body, whatever you feel would be the simplest target. We're gonna do a snap kick. So Caitlin's gonna point her toes. And I just want you to see kind of what this would look like. So let's do it slow first. Just do a soft one. So boom. So basically you're gonna pick your knee up first. You never want to kick straight because you really don't get a lot of power like this. It's a lot of work like that. You want to bring your knee up first and then snap the kick and pull it back. That's also the best way for balance. So now do it a little bit harder. That's it. All right, now I want you to just wail it. So imagine someone's coming at Caitlin. She's scared for her life. She gets to just wail as hard as she can. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, how do you want to get that? Nice one. Ooh, if you can hear that, I promise you, if someone was attacking her, don't kick me now. We would not have a good day at work. All right, and I was reaching for her, and she threw that front kick as hard as she could at me. Even if it doesn't stop the person, it will stun the person. And that's really your goal. Your goal is never to sit there and someone attacks you, is to get into an altercation. Your goal is to get away by any means necessary. So, you know, if you kick them, if you palm them, if you have to bite them, it doesn't matter. Your goal is to basically get away from the person, whatever it takes. So that front kick is just a great, perfect move. You know, if you want to practice these moves, this is all you can do. So you step back, put your hands up. Caitlin can do it with me. You practice your palms in the air. You practice your knee, and you practice your front kick. And it's just something really simple. You would sit there and just practice palms, knee, front kick, and you just sit there and drill it. You know, the more you do it, that's how you get better at it. I have this one woman who just started, and you know, she can't kick very high. So she started with a kick like this. Just like that. And I have to say, it was Mary, Sarah's sister. Just last week, we had her kick, and now she's kicking here. So don't worry about how high you can do it or how hard you can do it. The best thing is to just start, just do it. Hey, I'm Sensei Matt Federico. This is Caitlin with no karate experience, but she did an awesome job. I loved it. And those are 3 tips that hopefully will one day, if you ever need to, and hopefully you never do, will save your life.